Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. It's the new year, time for makeovers, and let's get started with that ugly wall that you have on the side of your property, the back of your property that you stare at all the time. Makes you think like you're in some prison yard. How can you make that look nicer? Well, basically, you want to cover that up with some stucco finish. Now, even if you have a wall that has these weird old blocks in it from the 70s, you can still fill those in with some nice grout and then just apply a scratch coat and then do a stucco coat over that. So we're just going to do a really simple job with all three of the walls you see in this video, where you basically do scratch coat. And by the way, you want to do a little power washing of the wall before you put the scratch coat on, just get all the dust off. So you do the scratch coat. This is a coat that basically binds the stucco to the wall, because you can't bind stucco directly to a CMU block wall. You have to do this, what we call a scratch coat or a mud coat, depending on what part of the country you live in. And this applies to both retaining walls and freestanding walls. Once you've done that, then you can put the stucco color over it. And the stucco comes in lots of different colors. Consult your local landscape hardware store or landscape material store for all the different color combinations. You can get it to match your house, complement your house. Basically, you pre-mix that color in the wheelbarrow to get that wonderful color. And there's some different techniques as well for applying the stucco finish. Now notice in that back of that wall, so we applied a very basic stucco coat because we're going to add one more layer on top of that in just a minute, as you will see. But another fun thing you can do once you are done with the stucco coat is you can also insert lights into the wall. These are some really fun little downlights to light this wall up at night. So that's one way you can give your ugly wall makeover. Put in some lighting on that wall just to give some perimeter lights. So again, remember the ugly wall at the beginning of the video? Here's what it looks like now. We did a blue stucco coat to it. Really came out great. I love when we have these small tight yards to do a blue stucco coat because it makes the yard seem bigger. You know, if you want your yard to seem a little bigger, if you have a small yard, put a cool color on it like a light blue. It will just give the illusion that the yard is indeed a little bit bigger. One more thing to give that ugly wall makeover: add some wall art. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of great wall art out there. There's links in the video description also for some of this art. But you can add a little bit of wall art. And then finally, you can actually put a little bit of bamboo in front of that wall and then mount the wall art and do all kinds of fun things. So these are some quick ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe to get more of my videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.